Problem number 24. How many tosses of a coin are needed so that the probability of getting at least one head is 0.875? So what has been given here? The answer is given here. That is P of R. At least one head means greater than or equal to one. Answer has been given directly as 0.875 and is asking the probability of getting one head. So the probability of getting one head will be 1. In a point, two sides will be there. So 1 by 2 you will get 0.5. Q is equal to 1 minus P equal to 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.5. Okay. Next, and the question is asking small n here. So this is the point here. Small n is not given here. P has been given, Q has been given, and the answer has been given. So how to do this problem? See, P of R greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus P of R equal to 0. So this everyone know it. Okay. So now P of R greater than or equal to 1 answer is 0.875 is equal to 1 minus, keep this in bracket like this, 1 minus, let us expand this, NCO into 0.5 raised to the power of 0 into 0.5 raised to the power of n. You don't know the value of n. Okay. 0.875 is equal to 1 minus. So n value may be anything, but r value if it is 0, you'll get answer 1. Any value raised to the power of 0, you'll get 1 into 0.5 raised to the power of n. So 0.875 is equal to 1 minus 1 into 0.5 raised to the power of n, you'll get 0.5 raised to the power of n. So now what I will do this is 0.5 raised to the power of n, I will send it to left hand side, and 0.8 I will send it to this side. So plus is going to become minus and minus is going to become plus. That is minus 0.5n when I send it to other side is going to become plus. That is 0.5 raised to the power of n is equal to 1 minus 0.875. 0.5 raised to the power of 10 is equal to 0.125. So here we need to apply some logic here, some mathematical techniques we have to apply here. So 0.5 raised to the power of 10 is equal to 0.5 raised to the power of which power we are going to get 0.125, that we need to work out. So 0.5 raised to the power of which power you will get 0.125 as the answer. So 0.5 raised to the power of 1, you will get 0.5 raised to the power. 0.5 raised to the power of 2, you won't get 0.125. But 0.5 raised to the power of 3, how much you will get? 0.125. Okay. So here base and base will be cancelled. Powers are left out. So n value will be equal to 3. So here you need to apply some mathematical techniques. So as it is 0.5 here, 0.5 raised to the power of which power you are going to get there as 0.125, that we need to think. Okay, then we'll get this answer. So n is equal to 0.3. You please copy this problem. I'll wait for 1 minute.
Over, sir. Copy.
Okay, right. So last problem in this exercise. Today is also last problem for today and the last problem for this binomial distribution. So I am clearing the board.
Okay.
Problem number 25. Let me read the question. Assume that half the population is vegetarian, so that the chance of individual being a vegetarian is 1 by 2. Assuming that 100 investigators each take sample of 10 individuals to see whether they are vegetarians, how many investigators would you expect to report that 3 people or less were vegetarian? So here, what are the given things? So the information in question is related to vegetarian. So small p will be equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Then q is equal to 1 minus p is equal to 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.5. Then here Total how many individuals are there? 10 individuals. That is small n will be equal to 10. And this every investigator, total there are 100 investigators. 100 investigators are testing 10 individuals. Means capital N will be equal to 100. But don't think that this problem is fitting binomial distribution. The question is asking expect to report that 3 people or less were vegetarian. So people, 3 people or less means here P of R less than or equal to 3 he is asking is equal to P of R is equal to 0 plus P of R equal to 1 plus P of R equal to 2 plus P of R equal to 3. You have to do. So we need to find out the values of from P of R is equal to 0 to P of R is equal to 3. So let us find out the values first. P of R equal to 0 is equal to n value is 10, C0 into P value 0.5 raised to the power of 0 into 0.5 raised to the power of 10 is equal to, so 10 C0 how much will get? 1. So here bases are same means you can add the powers, that is 0.5 raised to the power of 10. So how much will get? 1 into 0.5 raised to the power of 10. What is the answer you are getting?
0.000976.
Okay, 000. We'll take up to 97.
Okay, sir.
97. So you will get 0.000997 as P of R is equal to 0.
0.
Next, P of R equal to 1 is equal to 10 C1 into 0.5 raised to the power of 0 into 0.5 raised to the power of 0.5 raised to the power of 1 into 0.5 raised to the power of 9 is equal to, so 10 C1 answer you will get 10 into 0.5 raised to the power of 10 will be equal to 10 into 0.0097 is equal to
0.0097.
yeah 0.0097.
97.
Okay. Next, P of R equal to 2 is equal to 10 C2 into 5 raised to the power of 2 into 0.5 raised to the power of 8 is equal to, we need to find out 10C to answer. 10C2 is equal to 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So 10 minus 2 will get 8 factorial. That I'm not going to expand, that I'm going to write it directly. 2 factorial is small number that I'm going to expand. 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial, 8 factorial will be cancelled. 2, 5. 5 into 9 you will get 45. So 45 into, so directly you can write the answer here, 0.00097. So 45 into 0.00097 you get
0.0436
0.04365.
65.
You take up to 6. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
6 if you round it up, it will become 7. Okay. So now P of R is equal to 2 is also over. Now P of R is equal to 3. NC3 into 0.5 raised to the power of 3 into 0.5 raised to the power of 7 is equal to NC3 answer. Let us find out. NC3 is equal to, you can write 10, write 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial is equal to 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3, how much will you get? 7 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1. So in the numerator, I'll expand up to 7 factorial. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. 7 factorial, 7 factorial will be cancelled. 3, 3, 2, 5. 5 3 is 15. 15 into 8. 15 into 8, how much will get? 120. So 10C3. 120 into 0.00097. How much are you getting?
0.1164.
0.1164. So now we have to add all these 4 values. So P of R less than or equal to 3 is equal to 0.0097 plus 0.0097 plus 0.0437 plus 0.1164. How much answer you are getting?
0.17077.
0.17
0.
0.171.
17077, sir.
You're right, you take up to 117 only.
Okay, sir.
So, but this is not the final answer. This is up to PR of this is if the investigation is done by one investigator. But total, how many
Into,
investigators are there? 100 investigators are there.
so
So this
answer into 100, sir.
0.17 should be multiplied with 100.
Into 100, sir.
Finally, you are right.
17.
For 100 investigators, is equal to 100 into 0.17 is equal to 17.